today I'm going to be curling my crazy long hair, and I'm going to curl it using a curling iron. I know, shocking. Of course, I'm going to be using a heat protectant. I feel like this is gonna take, I don't know, an hour to do this. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this section right here. Okay. Hopefully all of my hair fits the barrel. If not, then... Oh, it did. It somewhat did. My hair is like sometimes fighting it, so... Okay. It's decent, but I want it to be more curly though. Look at that. That's the part where the curling iron can no longer curl, so I think I'm just gonna recurl the bottom. Wow, like this is the struggle when you have this hair length. So there you go. Okay, so that's what the bottom part looks like. I think I should do this first. Put them back into the little curl and then seal them for a bit. Okay, just like that, and then I'm moving on to the next section. Okay, so there's that. I still have more hair here. Okay, I will pause the video and I will be right back as soon as I'm sort of ish done. And that is like, you see that? That is what you call rebellion. Okay, I will be right back. You know what? I was like, you know what? I'm done sectioning it. I'm just gonna wing it. Because I still have a lot of hair. Okay, so my technique here is that every single time I curl my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and put a bobby pin on it, just so that those curls won't go down easily. Just because I find that my hair doesn't really hold curls that much lately. I don't know, it's probably because of the weather, or it's just my hair is a bit oily at the moment, you know, because I've been using a lot of conditioners on my hair, so probably that's the reason why. Alright, so at this point right here, I decided to actually curl small sections of my hair, because I noticed that if my hair is not flat on the barrel, it won't really curl my hair at all, and I don't want to recurl my hair twice, because I know that's twice of the heat it's going to go through. So also, if you guys have observed right here, what I do is I curl the top part of my hair first, and then after that I work on the ends of my hair, just because, as I've said, my hair cannot fit on the whole barrel of the curling iron. So that is actually the only way to where you can curl your hair properly. And also at this point I was actually getting annoyed already, because my hands are hurting, and also there are instances that my hair wouldn't really curl just easily. And also I had to use a lot of hairpins here. Guys, after 10,000 years, this is what my hair looks like right now. This was a terrible idea. I also have 10,000 pins on my hair, and my arm hurts from just curling my hair, and I didn't enjoy the whole process. The only thing I notice about this is that if I curl my hair using a curling iron, my hair fights it. But however, if I do my no-heat curls, it just obeys it. Probably my hair just hates the heat. And right now, hopefully, we can still do the photo shoot, because the weather is kind of not in my favor. I'm gonna go ahead and unleash them later as soon as my sister's here. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, and then that's it. Okay guys, so I took it all out, put on my outfit. This is the result of the curls. Do you think it's good-ish? Because I feel like it gives the exact same result as of my no-heat curls. You know, I actually haven't break them apart yet. like ran my fingers through them. So that is it, y'all. We're racing against time. So from here, I'm just gonna say bye, and I will see you on my next video.